How to fix Slack file download problem. So if a teammate sent you an important document, image, or a PDF on Slack, but clicking the download button does absolutely nothing or throws an error, it can completely stall your workday. I'm going to show you the fix for Slack file download problems so you can grab your files without hassle. So the most common reason downloads fail or freeze is a broken or restricted default save path on your computer. So click on your profile picture right here, and then go to Preferences. Navigate down to the Advanced tab right here, and scroll to the download location. Let me see where it is. There you go, download location. And if the path looks blank or points to an unplugged drive, you just need to click on Change and choose a fresh new location, or just set it to your standard downloads folder. And also check the toggle box that says always ask where to save files. So choose location for each download so that it doesn't fail at all. You'll be asked every single time where you want to put this file from Slack in your PC, which folder or which drive. Right, and if your folder and download path is fine, a corrupted temporary cache or network security rule is likely blocking an incoming file transfer. So guys, you just need to click on these three dots right here, go to Help, Troubleshooting, and then just click Clear Cache and Restart. And if you are using an enterprise VPN or third-party ad blocker, just temporarily toggle it off. Sometimes security firewalls misinterpret Slack file attachment links as unverified downloads and just block them. And if you are on a tight deadline and need to open that file now, you can just go ahead and use the web version of Slack, right? So just log in the web version of Slack, and in here just right click and choose download right here, and you will download it not through the Slack itself but through your browser, and you will have your download right here under the download section. That is it. Enjoy guys. If this helped, subscribe.